If your Kia Sportage is suddenly refusing to start, a faulty relay is a prime suspect that you can fix yourself in minutes. Statistically, about 15% of no-start conditions are caused by simple electrical failures like a blown fuse or a stuck relay. Before you call a tow truck, let's walk through the diagnostic process to see if it is just a simple relay issue. Start by ensuring the car is in park and locate the main fuse box under the hood, usually found near the battery. The starter relay is your first target. Listen for a clicking sound when you turn the key to confirm if it is receiving power. If the engine cranks but won't catch, the fuel pump relay might not be sending power to the pump. It is important to distinguish between a bad relay and a dead starter motor based on the sounds you hear. A new relay is incredibly cheap compared to a full starter replacement, making it the best place to start your repair. Try swapping the starter relay with an identical one from the horn or AC to see if the car fires up. Keep a pair of pliers and some contact cleaner handy to ensure your new relay makes a solid connection. Most mechanics will tell you to always check the simplest electrical connections before assuming the worst. If this fixed your Sportage, hit that subscribe button for more DIY automotive troubleshooting guides.